Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing only the essentials. Open your scene and enable the Select and Link tool so you can act immediately. Make sure the pivot points are correct. Use Hierarchy Effect Pivot only to move a pivot where transforms should originate. With the tool active, select the child object or multiple children and drag a link to the intended parent. This creates a parent-child relationship that drives transforms, so positioning the pivot first matters for predictable motion. Once done linking the basics, refine the hierarchy and alignment so animation behaves. Use the hierarchy panel to toggle inherit transform or adjust link info. That controls whether children follow rotation, scale, or position. Make sure children are aligned to the parent with the Align tool or a Reset X form before linking to avoid offset issues. You can shift-select several objects to link them in one action and confirm whether you need local versus world axes to preserve correct rotations and scaling. To finish, always test the hierarchy. Move and rotate the parent to ensure children follow as expected, and then bake or key transforms if needed. If something looks wrong, use Unlink to detach and inspect pivots or the object's transform stack. Applying Reset X form often fixes scaling and rotation offsets. Make sure to relink after corrections, and if you used constraints or controllers, verify their order so transforms propagate correctly. This prevents surprises during animation or export.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.